Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to cash out a closed Cash App account. Very easy. First, launch your Cash App. Come here at the bottom left and click on this icon. Okay, and from here you'll see your balance. Just come here and tap on Cash Out. And normally you just, of course, type in the balance like you normally do and then tap on Cash Out. Basically, it's the same exact process like usual. Okay, and then just choose how you would like to deposit that money to your bank. So you choose either standard, this one is free, and instant has a $0.25 fee. Okay, and the other method, by the way, is to go ahead and use your Cash App card at any ATM. So it's the same process to cash out. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.